If you're ready to ditch traffic and ride smarter, this roundup is for you. We tested and compared 25 electric trikes, bikes, and scooters, from compact folders to fat tire haulers, to find the best mix of power, comfort, and value. Watch for range, braking, suspension, and portability highlights, plus quick buying tips for different riders and budgets. Let's plug in, gear up, and roll. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. For more comprehensive details, visit our website. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and click the notification bell for the latest updates. Ready for the list? Let's jump right in. Number 25. Cybervelo 1000 Peak Electric Bike. If you want a punchy commuter that still feels stable off the path, Cybervelo brings the goods. The torquey motor jumps off the line, while the tires smooth broken pavement and gravel. A removable battery keeps charging easy, and the upright geometry makes longer rides comfortable. You get confident stopping with disc brakes, integrated lighting for dusk rides, and controls you'll master in minutes. It's a balanced, budget-friendly e-bike that feels fun, fast, and practical for errands or weekend wandering. Number 24. Jasion EB5 Electric Bike. EB5 keeps things simple and dependable, perfect for first-time e-bike riders or daily commuters. The upright cockpit, shock-absorbing tires, and responsive brakes make city miles feel easy. A removable battery streamlines charging, while pedal assist plus throttle give you control over effort and pace. With integrated lighting and a tidy wiring layout, it looks clean and rides cleaner. This is a great value pick if you want a straightforward, comfortable e-bike that handles errands, short commutes, and casual weekend spins. Number 23. isinwheel U1 Electric Bike. If you're stepping into e-bikes for the first time, the isinwheel U1 makes it easy. The approachable frame, low-maintenance drivetrain, and steady pedal assist keep your ride smooth and predictable. A removable battery simplifies charging at home or work, while disc brakes add dependable stopping power in the rain. Comfy saddle, ergonomic grips, and commuter-ready mounts round out the package. It's a friendly, affordable way to skip traffic, flatten hills, and extend your range without sacrificing comfort or everyday practicality. Number 22. Jasion EB7 Two-Folding Electric Bike. If you want portability without giving up power, the Jasion EB7 II nails the sweet spot. It folds fast for trunks, elevators, or small apartments, yet rides confidently on chunky tires and a cushy saddle. The punchy assist helps you climb, while mechanical discs keep control on the way down. A removable battery, throttle option, and integrated lights make urban errands effortless. It's a compact, do-it-all folder for riders who need convenience, comfort, and real-world performance in one tidy package. Number 21. TST Electric Bike. If you crave punch and utility in a small footprint, TST's 20-inch fat tire e-bike delivers. The compact wheelbase feels nimble in traffic, while wide rubber adds grip and comfort on rough streets or gravel paths. A robust frame, front suspension, and disc brakes build confidence when you're hauling groceries or climbing short hills. Pop the battery out to charge, load the rack, and roll. It's a stout mini-bike-style commuter that mixes fun, practicality, and everyday toughness surprisingly well together. Number 20. ACTBEST Apex Electric Bike. If you want a trail-ready e-mountain bike that doubles as a fast weekday commuter, the ACTBEST Apex fits the bill. The 27.5-inch tires roll quickly yet keep you planted on loose paths, while front suspension and disc brakes boost control on sketchy descents. Pedal assist feels natural, throttle helps at lights, and the removable battery means easy charging indoors. Mounts for racks and lights make errands simple. It's a versatile, confidence-building e-bike for street and dirt. Number 19. Jasion RetroVolt Electric Bike. If you're into classic looks with modern muscle, RetroVolt brings style and substance. The relaxed geometry and dual-spring saddle keep you comfy, while wide tires soak up cracks and gravel. Smooth pedal assist helps you cruise with less effort, and mechanical discs deliver predictable stopping in rain or shine. A removable battery simplifies charging, and fender rack compatibility makes daily hauling easy. It's a head-turning, stress-free ride that blends vintage vibes with real-world utility for commuting and weekend exploring. Number 18. Tuttio Soleil 01 Electric Dirt Bike. If you crave off-road thrills without the noise or gas, the Soleil 01 is your silent weapon. A torquey motor punches up hills, while knobby tires and a sturdy chassis hold traction through loose corners. Hydraulic-style braking inspires confidence when the trail points down, and simple controls make it easy to focus on the line ahead. Charge, gear up, and go. No warm-ups or tune-ups needed. It's a fun, low-maintenance dirt machine that makes backyard tracks and fire roads feel brand new. Number 17. Qlife Cityone 26-inch Electric Bike. If you want easy on-off comfort with commuter smarts, Cityone's step-through frame keeps things approachable. The upright posture, roomy saddle, and 26-inch wheels smooth daily rides, while pedal assist takes the sting out of headwinds and hills. Mechanical disc brakes provide reliable control in traffic, and the removable battery makes apartment charging simple. Add a basket or rear rack, and you're errand ready. It's a friendly, confidence-building city e-bike that helps you ride farther, sweat less, and show up smiling. Number 16. NIU 100F Electric Scooter. If you need a compact commuter that's tough on potholes, the NIU 100F hits the sweet spot. The deck feels stable, the stem lock's solid, and acceleration is smooth for predictable starts. Suspension and sizable tires tame rough streets, while responsive brakes and bright lighting boost safety after dark. The display is easy to read, and folding makes storage painless at home, office, or transit. It's a polished, low-cost scoot that turns stop-and-go city miles into quick, comfortable trips. Number 15. Segway Ninebot F3 Electric Scooter. If you want a trusted commuter with a premium feel, the Segway Ninebot F3 is a smart pick. Acceleration is smooth and predictable. The deck feels planted, and the cockpit is clean with an easy-to-read display. Air-filled tires and tuned geometry tame daily bumps, while dual braking inspires confidence in traffic. App support adds ride stats and quick settings. Fold it in seconds and stash it under a desk. It's a polished, low-hassle scooter for real-world city miles. Number 14. Inmotion Climber 750-watt dual-motor electric scooter. If hills are part of your route, the Climber's dual-motor punch makes steep grades feel flat. The chassis feels solid, the steering is precise, and power delivery is controlled rather than jerky. Suspension and grippy tires track confidently on rough pavement, and robust brakes keep speed in check. The folding mechanism is secure yet quick, and the lighting package is bright for after-dark rides. It's an energetic, compact scooter, built to make demanding commutes faster, safer, and way more fun. Number 13. Soumye 20-inch Folding Electric Tricycle. If stability and storage matter, this folding e-trike brings both without the bulk. 3 wheels keep low-speed balance effortless, while the 20-inch tires soak up cracks on bike paths and city streets. Pedal assist reduces strain on knees and hips, and strong brakes build confidence when fully loaded. The rear basket swallows groceries or gear, and the folding frame fits tight apartments or car trunks. It's a comfortable, accessible electric trike that turns daily errands into relaxed, car-free cruises. Number 12. Ausom D T2 Pro Electric Scooter. If your commute includes potholes, gravel, or construction zones, the DT2 Pro brings rugged confidence. The deck is wide and stable, the stem locks tight, and the throttle response is lively without feeling twitchy. Chunky tires and suspension eat up chatter, while dependable brakes deliver steady control on descents. The cockpit is simple and legible, and folding is fast for bus or trunk. It's a tough, adventure-ready scooter that doubles as a comfortable daily rider when streets get rough. Number 11. FREESKY Warrior Pro M530 Dual Motor Electric Bike. If you want serious muscle for trails and urban shortcuts, the Warrior Pro M530 means business. Dual motors deliver confident launches and hill climbing power, while fat tires and front suspension smooth ruts, curbs, and gravel. The frame feels sturdy under load, and strong disc brakes keep speed in check. A large capacity battery supports longer rides, and the controls are straightforward for quick learning. Rack and fender compatibility add utility. It's a high-torque e-bike built for commuters who also chase weekend dirt. Number 10. 3-score 1500 watt peak electric fat tire trike. If you want a stable, go-anywhere hauler, 3-score's fat tire trike is a blast. The wide rear axle and low center of gravity keep you planted, while the torquey motor helps when starting with cargo. Hydraulic disc brakes rein in speed, and the big 48-volt battery supports longer errands. Add a basket and cruise bike paths comfortably on plush tires. It's an easy-riding electric trike that mixes confidence, range, and utility for commuting, shopping, or weekend leisure. Number 9. NAVEE ST3 Electric Scooter. If you need a tough scooter for daily miles, the NAVEE ST3 balances comfort and pace. Zippy acceleration helps at lights, and the roomy deck keeps your stance relaxed. Pneumatic tires and suspension smooth broken asphalt, while responsive brakes and bright lights build confidence after dark. The folding mechanism is quick, and the display is readable in sun. It's a reliable, low-maintenance commuter that turns short trips into effortless rides without the parking drama or fuel costs. Number 8. Schwinn Coston Hybrid Electric Bike. If you want a trustworthy hybrid from a legacy brand, the Schwinn Coston delivers everyday versatility. The upright position and step-through option keep rides comfortable, while pedal assist flattens hills and headwinds. Fender-ready frame, rack mounts, and integrated lighting make commuting practical year-round. Mechanical discs provide steady stopping in wet conditions, and the removable battery simplifies charging at home or work. It's a familiar, confidence-inspiring e-bike that helps you ride farther with less sweat and more smiles. Number 7. DWMEIGI Zeus 3-wheel electric trike. If stability and cargo space top your list, the DWMEIGI Zeus checks every box. 3 wheels keep balance effortless at low speeds, and the sturdy frame carries groceries or gear without drama. A supportive saddle, swept-back bars, and pedal assists reduce strain on knees and back. Disc brakes deliver dependable control, while the step-through design simplifies mounting. Add the included basket, and you're errand ready. It's a practical, accessible electric trike designed to keep you active and independent. Number 6. VELOWAVE Electric Bike. If you want punchy trail fun and weekday speed, the VELOWAVE brings Bafang muscle in an approachable package. The motor's smooth assist helps you climb, while wide tires and front suspension tame ruts and curbs. Hydraulic-style braking and a clear display boost control, and the removable battery keeps charging simple indoors. With room for fenders or a rack, it pulls double duty as a commuter. It's a fast, capable e-bike that encourages longer rides and bigger routes. Number 5. Gotrax XR Elite Electric Scooter. If you need value without compromises, the Gotrax XR Elite is a commuter classic. Acceleration feels predictable, the deck is steady, and the folding stem locks neatly for transit or storage. Air-filled tires soften daily bumps, while dual brakes and a headlight help you stay visible and in control. The intuitive display and simple throttle make learning easy. It's a dependable, budget-friendly scooter for campus, quick errands, or connecting the last mile to work. Number 4. NARRAK Electric Tricycle. If you want stability with extra torquey, NARRAK's electric tricycle brings muscle to daily hauling. The powerful hub motor helps when starting on inclines, and the wide tires track confidently over rough pavement. Front suspension and an oversized saddle keep rides comfortable, while disc brakes manage the extra weight. Integrated lighting and baskets make grocery runs straightforward. It's a sturdy, rider-friendly e-trike that turns chores into breezy cruises and keeps your car parked more often. Number 3. Jasion Roamer Electric Bike. If range and power share top billing, the Jasion Roamer makes commuting feel effortless. The torquey motor jumps ahead in traffic, and the large-capacity battery supports longer rides between charges. Chunky tires and front suspension smooth sketchy streets, while mechanical discs add predictable stopping. The geometry feels relaxed without being sluggish, and the controls are easy to learn. With mounts for racks and fenders, it's a versatile e-bike built for weekday duty and weekend detours. Number 2. Giroir Adult's Electric Scooter. If utility matters, the Giroir adds a handy front basket to a comfortable scooter platform. Acceleration is smooth, the deck is roomy, and the upright stance reduces fatigue on longer rides. Suspension and cushy tires handle cracks and cobbles, while lighting and brakes keep you confident at night. The Fold is quick for storage near your desk or couch. It's a practical car light alternative for short errands, campus loops, and neighborhood commutes. Number 1. Qlife Triker Folding Electric Trike. If you want rock-solid balance with apartment-friendly storage, the Qlife Triker folds to fit your life. 3 wheels keep starts, stops, and low-speed maneuvers steady, while the step-through frame makes mounting simple. The removable battery charges indoors, and the throttle option helps when pulling away with groceries. Disc brakes add control, integrated lights improve visibility, and the rear basket handles daily carry. It's an easygoing electric trike that prioritizes comfort, confidence, and everyday convenience. That wraps up our picks for the best electric trikes, bikes, and scooters. If this helped, tap like, subscribe, and ring the bell. I've linked every model and timestamps below so you can compare specs and prices. Drop a comment with your favorite ride or what you want tested next. Until then, charge up, ride safe,